Hey everyone! Today, we're learning clothes in English, from head to toe. Let's start. Shirt, shirt. Dad irons his white shirt. T-shirt, t-shirt. I wear a t-shirt in summer. Blouse, blouse. Her blouse has pretty flowers. Sweater, sweater. This sweater feels soft and warm. Hoodie, hoodie. He pulls his hoodie over his head. Cardigan, cardigan. Grandma knitted a green cardigan. Vest, vest. A vest has no sleeves. Tank top, tank top. She jogs in a blue tank top. Polo shirt, polo shirt. The waiter wears a red polo shirt. Turtleneck, turtleneck. A turtleneck covers my whole neck. Trousers, trousers. His trousers are too long. Jeans, jeans. Blue jeans never go out of style. Shorts, shorts. We wear shorts at the beach. Skirt, skirt. The dancer spins in her skirt. Leggings, leggings. She stretches in black leggings. Sweatpants, sweatpants. I relax at home in sweatpants. Chinos, chinos. He pairs chinos with a shirt. Overalls, overalls. The painter wears dirty overalls. Dress, dress. The bride wore a white dress. Gown, gown. She shines in a silver gown. Jumpsuit, jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is one whole piece. Romper, romper. The baby sleeps in a soft romper. Jacket, jacket. Zip up your warm jacket now. Coat, coat. A heavy coat keeps snow away. Raincoat, raincoat. Wear a raincoat in the storm. Blazer, blazer. He wears a blazer to work. Parka, parka. A parka has a fur hood. Windbreaker, windbreaker. A windbreaker blocks the cold wind. Trench coat, trench coat. The detective wears a long trench coat. Cloak, cloak. The wizard hides under his cloak. Shoes, shoes. Tie your shoes before you run. Boots, boots. My boots keep my feet dry. Sandals, sandals. Sandals feel cool in summer. Slippers, slippers. Grandpa shuffles in his slippers. Sneakers, sneakers. New sneakers make running fun. Heels, heels. She dances in tall heels. Flip-flops, flip-flops. Flip-flops slap on the wet floor. Loafers, loafers. Loafers slip on without laces. Hat, hat. A big hat shades my face. Cap, cap. He wears his cap backwards. Beanie, beanie. A warm beanie covers my ears. Scarf, scarf. She wraps a soft scarf around her neck. Gloves, gloves. Wear gloves to warm your hands. Mittens, mittens. Mittens keep baby fingers warm. Belt, belt. A leather belt holds up his pants. Tie, tie. Dad ties a blue tie. Bow tie, bow tie. The waiter wears a black bow tie. Shawl, shawl. She covers her shoulders with a shawl. Turban, turban. The old man wraps a white turban. Veil, veil. The bride lifts her thin veil. Suit, suit. He wears a black suit today. Tuxedo, tuxedo. The groom looks sharp in a tuxedo. Uniform, uniform. Students wear a school uniform. Tracksuit, tracksuit. The runner warms up in a tracksuit. Apron, apron. The cook ties a white apron. Pajamas, pajamas. Kids jump around in their pajamas. Nightgown, nightgown. She sleeps in a long nightgown. Robe, robe. He wears a robe after showering. Underwear, underwear. Clean underwear always feels fresh. Bra, bra. A bra supports the chest. Boxers, boxers. He buys striped cotton boxers. Socks, socks. My socks have funny stripes. Tights, tights. She wears warm tights in winter. Stockings, stockings. Silk stockings feel very smooth. Swimsuit, swimsuit. She dives in a red swimsuit. Bikini, bikini. She relaxes in a striped bikini. Swim trunks, swim trunks. He swims in blue swim trunks. Kimono, kimono. She folds a silk kimono. Poncho, poncho. A poncho covers him from rain. Kaftan, kaftan. She wears a golden kaftan tonight. Abaya, abaya. She wears a black abaya outside. Hijab, hijab. She pins her colorful hijab. Handbag, handbag. Her handbag holds many things. Backpack, backpack. The student carries a heavy backpack. Wallet, wallet. His wallet is full of coins. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Sunglasses protect my eyes from sun. Watch, watch. He checks the time on his watch. Ring, ring. She wears a shiny gold ring. Necklace, necklace. A pearl necklace shines on her neck. Earrings, earrings. Her earrings sparkle in the light. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. Leave a comment and tell me what you think.